That's the only bad side with this. See the shadows.
Yeah. But what are you gonna do?
I was playing his shadow. I was like, okay, let's see when he's gonna make that move.
Damn, I should have came around the other side.
Well, I was peeking out that side, but I was watching the shadow on this side.
Oh. There, I didn't even use it.
I know.
Oh, fuck.
Get Bill. Go Bill. And the funny is, I was moving up closer. It's like they won't respect you. Go ahead, go ahead.
Thanks, Bill.
I actually wasted too much time.
Thank you.
Because Jimmy was like saliving at that kill. Oh. Jimmy was like, you should have waited till they got me on the snake. Made me move over more.
Yeah, but I could have, but I was tired of waiting. I'm pretty sure you were the last one out.
And I saw you make that move in the shadow. Barrett, how do you turn on the camera? Huh? How do you turn it on?
Press the back button.
Oh, stop button, turn it on and off?
Yeah. Even if it's completely off, you press it, it'll turn on.
And record right away?
Yeah.
Oh.
I didn't do it this time.
Bill did it. Twice.
The guy you had him held down, so when I moved to the right, I was like, see him, I don't know, did you get the guy that was in front of me? I caught anybody. You caught the one in front of me? Because I was catching people at the corners. Yeah, I was catching the guy at 50. That he was